Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my homemade mac and cheese. This recipe is super easy, tasty and delicious. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Please like, share and comment. In a saucepan, add 200 milliliters of milk. Cover and allow to simmer for 2 minutes before adding the elbow macaroni. After 2 minutes, add 150 grams of elbow macaroni to the milk. Give it a good stir so that none of the macaroni will stick to the pot, and cover and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes until it is tender and not too soft. Add half teaspoon of salt. You can add it before or after you add the macaroni. Give it a good stir so that the salt will be distributed evenly. Cook over a medium flame. Put out the flame once the milk is fully dried out. Add 1/4 pound of cheese, which equals to 4 ounces. I'm using cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you like, or even if you want to add more than one type of cheese, it is okay. Add 1 tablespoon of salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter, and mine is room temperature, so if yours is room temperature you can add it in just like that, or if it is not room temperature then you can break it up into smaller pieces so it can be melted easily. Mix until the cheese and butter is melted and incorporated. It should look creamy when the butter and the cheese is fully incorporated. Serve hot or any way you like it. Thanks for watching guys, and please remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and turn on that bell notification so you will be the first one to watch my videos. Please remember to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and please do enjoy.